Hi there. My name is Avatar Sam. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Change Your Mind, Change Your World. This is part 2 about eye-opening Japanese concepts that will change your life by giving you some valuable insight. The fifth concept we're going to talk about is ubitori, is a concept about not comparing yourself to others. It is important to understand that everyone has a different timeline and unique path. That is why you should clap and be happy when good things happen to others, because this means you understand that your time to shine will also come when it is time. Being jealous and envious of others is like drinking poison. It will only hurt your self-esteem, self-image, and ruin your mood for no good reason, and may even block you from realizing your own success. An attitude of gratitude and happiness for others will bring peace and happiness into your own life. So it is important that you focus on your own progress, rather than trying to measure yourself against others. Kaizen. This concept is about the importance of always seeking to improve in all areas of your life. Even small changes can add up and make a big impact over time. However, radical and big changes overnight are unsustainable, and you're less likely to commit if the changes you desire require too much commitment. It is best to commit to one small change that will take no more than 10 minutes of your day, and keep doing it continuously for 66 days, and until it becomes an habit, then move on to your next small change, and so on. Lastly, the last concept is shuhari. This concept is best described by a quote. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. When the student is truly ready, the teacher will disappear. It is a way of thinking about how to learn and master a technique. There are 3 stages to acquiring knowledge. SHU. Learn the basics by following the teaching of one master. Imitating the work of great masters also falls in this stage. Ha. Start experimenting, learn from masters and integrate the learning into the practice. Re. This stage focuses on innovation and the ability to apply your learning to a variety of situations. I hope these unique concepts have given you some useful insights that you can apply in your everyday life. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, change your mind, change your world.